We have worked together with Jeanom Nouvelom to develop a new series of tables to extend the jumper family of chairs, and have also designed them to go well with various other chairs, the Jumper StudioTable. Typical for Jeanom Nouvelom, the Jumper StudioTable has a very pared-down, clear design. There are no attachments such as satchel hooks or gratignels boxes. However, what truly makes the Jumper StudioTable stand out are its externally mounted legs, which permit stackability. Despite this, the tables can also be lined up in rows next to one another without gaps because the table frame is mounted asymmetrically below the tabletop. Thanks to the externally mounted legs, the table offers the greatest possible freedom of movement for the user's own legs. When pushed together, the frames slide below the top of the adjacent table. The tops therefore move together to form a tidy, flush join. This also applies when rectangular tables are combined with the trapezoidal variant. The dimensions of the two variants are harmonized. To simplify the task of inserting the tables into one another when lining them up in rows, 5mm spacers are inserted between the frame and the tabletop. Thanks to the shape of the frame, the tables are also easy to stack. Stacking dividers are also integrated in the frame to protect the tabletops against scratching when stacked. The series of tables includes 3 rectangular tables of different widths and a trapezoidal table. All the table models are available in 9 table heights, from 300mm up to 820mm. These cover the entire range of school and office applications, and floor-level use is also possible. The tabletop is available in 19mm chipboard or as 13mm CDF board. We always mount the tops on the same subframe. This means that the Jumper StudioTable with CDF top is 6mm lower than the version with chipboard top. Optionally, the Jumper StudioTable can also be equipped with adjustable glide elements. Thanks to these, the height of the table can be increased by 6.5mm. The table frame is available in all VS metal colors as well as chrome plated. All in all, the Jumper StudioTable is therefore a versatile, clearly designed table that stands out thanks to a number of product benefits. It is simple to line up in rows. Rectangular and trapezoidal tables can be combined, making it particularly attractive for seminar use. It is stackable, and it offers great freedom of movement for the legs.